this is for the new owners. You're going to find that the rear wheel is actually the rim is going to give you the most trouble for keeping clean. And what's going to happen is right in these areas right here is going to cake with dirt right in there. Each one of these areas, as the tire spins around, somehow the airflow just keeps that dirt packed in there. This is what I found is the easiest way to handle this is when you see this condition, you get your old toothbrush and you can actually with the aid of a cleaner, a wheel cleaner, I spray this around the whole area and even the rim. Try to keep it off of your caliper and disc there, and you can clean all of this and it'll put a kind of a finish on it that'll make it easier to maintain. So that's what I would recommend. And I also have a jack up underneath. I have actual scissor jack because right now I'm up in the mountains. At home I have a motorcycle jack that I use to do this. And you can see this is my Jeep Grand Cherokee scissor jack. Probably all of you have a scissor jack in there, and it will fit. You want to get down here close to the wheel and grab the swing arm here, and all you have to do is get it up just far enough to be able to spin the tire, and tire cleaning will be so much easier. And once you have this clean and you've spent all this time getting this work done, then the old Swiffer 360, and get the 360, which has these little refills that will allow you to why did I do that? Anyway, I kind of messed up. Yeah, this is an old one. I do have some new refills in there, but what you do is keep this handy, and when you come back from a ride, just kind of go around like this real quick, and it will get all of that dirt off. And it's pretty easy. You don't have to really mess around too much. Just keep that dirt from getting built up in there. The front don't have the same problem with buildup in the in these little areas.